Ah, the word problem, a common nemesis for many math students. It's often seen as a confusing jumble of numbers and words, but fear not. Today we'll break down the process of solving word problems into manageable steps. First, identify what the problem is asking for. This is crucial. It's easy to get lost in the details of a word problem, but if we focus on what it's actually asking for, it becomes a lot clearer. Next, break down the problem into smaller parts. Word problems often have multiple steps, and trying to solve them all at once can feel overwhelming. But if we break it down, step by step, it becomes much more manageable. Now let's talk about the importance of visualizing the problem. It's not always necessary to draw a diagram, but visualizing the problem can help us understand it better. It's like creating a mental map of the problem, which can guide us to the solution. The next step is to translate the words into a mathematical equation. This is where understanding the language of math comes in handy. Words like total, difference, product, and quotient can be translated into mathematical symbols. Once we've translated the problem into an equation, it's time to solve it. This is where your basic math skills come in. Make sure to follow the order of operations. You remember parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction, right? Finally, check your work. This is a step that many people skip, but it's crucial. It's easy to make small mistakes when solving a problem, and checking your work can help catch those before they become a big problem. So let's recap. First, identify what the problem is asking for, then break down the problem into smaller parts. Visualize the problem, translate it into a mathematical equation, solve the equation, and check your work. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more word problems you solve, the better you'll get at it. It might seem challenging at first, but with these steps you'll be a word problem whiz in no time. So challenge yourself, pick up a word problem and try to solve it using these techniques. You'll be surprised at how much easier it becomes. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, math is not a spectator sport. The more you play, the better you get. Until next time, keep crunching those numbers.